Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for a nigga so cheap. And your flex OD, your sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I am Lanae, and as y'all can see by this title, today I am going to be giving myself a maintenance, pamper, self-care type of thing. I'm going out tonight and I'm really not in the mood to go anywhere, so hopefully this gets me out of my funk and I get ready to go outside because I done bought these tickets. So we going somewhere. We're going. So yeah, I'm gonna start with doing skincare, and we're gonna elevate it. This is not my normal regular skincare routine. This is not my normal regular anything. We're just gonna go ahead and get to the video. I don't know why as soon as I'm trying to go somewhere I can't find nothing. So this is what I'm using. It is Aveeno, what is it? Aveeno face cleaner. I was looking for the bottle, can't find it, so this is what this is.
Got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it.
Okay, so after washing my face, I'm going to use some witch hazel or any toner. That's what I use. This, or what is the brand? Thayer's facial toner. Is witch hazel a toner? Because I've been using witch hazel and as a toner, I don't know, is it a toner? Okay, so normally after the toner I will use my prescription face stuff for my eczema, but I am going to shave my face, so I'm gonna use the aloe gel first. Normally I do that and then aloe gel, but I'm gonna do the aloe gel first. I've been seeing all the girlies shave their face before putting makeup on, and they say that it helps lay their makeup really good. So we're gonna see, but I don't even know if I want to do makeup, y'all. Like, first of all, I'm behind. My friend just called me and said I'm about to come get you, and I said, hold on ma'am, I am not ready. All right, I'm gonna just take another pad for the hair or whatever. I'm scared, but I'm excited, but I'm scared. It's 50-50 because I ain't never did this before. Oh my god, my hand's slippery. And yeah, pink everything. If it ain't pink, I don't want it, period.
They say time here.
This fool Anthony right here, and he said, listen,
I'm from the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do. Say that you been noticing he ain't easy. If I ever made get you angry, girl, just know that it get better with time.
Best kept secret.
They say time is, she can't see her life without me, she's so blasted. Fuck that nigga, you can tell him that you must be. And she don't want to go to sleep, she angry. Lately she been noticing he angry.
This is how much hair came off my face. I like that. It felt really nice. My face is so smooth. They were not lying. Okay. So, and I've never shaved my mustache before. So, I don't know. It's weird. I never even waxed it or nothing. Nothing. I'm about to do another layer of witch hazel to clean my skin. What is that? Okay, y'all don't put me on. And it's still hair coming off. Okay, so next I got this hydrating serum drops. I got this on Ipsy. If y'all don't know what Ipsy is, it's a subscription service where they send you packages monthly with makeup, skincare, stuff like that. And this was in one of my packages. And at first I didn't use it because it says age defying and I'm 19. Like, look at my skin. I don't need a age defying serum, but it might help in the long run. So, you know, and I have it, so I'm gonna use it. I'm already starting to glow and I am not even done. My whole mood just shifted. Did y'all peep? Did y'all peep? Yeah, girl, do your skincare. You'll feel 10 times better. I promise you. Because I've been feeling like I've been dragging all day. I didn't even want to do this video, but I need to do this video. Okay, and then we're going back with the aloe gel. Y'all, my skin is glowing. Okay, and then lastly, I'm going to use my Aveeno Positively Radiance Daily Moisturizer. It's barely anything in here. If it's anything in here, like, come on now. Ooh, I should have bought some more of this when I went to Kroger today. I don't even know if they sell it at Kroger because I got this from Walmart. But I'm sure they do. This is all that I could get out. Hopefully it's enough. I should be fine. Okay, so now, I don't know. I kind of want to do my makeup now. But I don't want to do too much because I don't got my watch on. What time is it? 10:12. Okay, I told her to give me 30 minutes at 9:58. So I think I got time to do my makeup. I am not gonna lie, I'm really liking how I look without makeup, but I am going to just put some concealer under my eyes. I think that's fine, honestly. And we're just gonna blend that in. Even the blending sponge is pink. And don't ask me why it's small. Not too much. Not too much. Yeah, this is it. This is all. Alright, girl. Now I need to put some lashes on. I don't have no lash glue. Might have to go back to my high school days. See if I got some hair glue. Because I'm wearing lashes, baby. And we gonna set that concealer in. Definitely got a whole thing of hair glue. So this will be using today. How I want to do this. But first of all, we're gonna put some mascara on. Top and bottom. Swing my way, swing my way, swing my way. I feel like I should have put on eyeliner. Well, no, because I ain't even put no makeup on for real. So I'm not tripping. And I will never be the girl that put lashes on with tweezers because I do not know how y'all do that at all. Okay, I feel cute and girly and doll-like. Like, not saying that I don't normally feel cute and girly, but like, I don't know. It's just something about it. Okay, so now I'm going to do lips. Do I want to do a lip combo or do I just want to stick to lip gloss? I'm going to put on lip gloss and I'm going to see how I feel about that. And then we'll be back. I think I'm going to do a combo. This is really cute though. Like, well, not this, me. I'm cute. Yeah. I don't know. I done started liking the clear gloss. I done took pictures and stuff. And I think I'm going to just stick to clear. Because then if I do a combo, I'm going to have to keep up with my lips all night. And Okay, so I'm about to get dressed. I wanted to wax my underarms because I just got a wax a few on Cinco de Mayo. That's when I got a wax. But you know, it's starting to grow back and I'm wearing a bikini top. So I was going to wax my underarms, but it depends on if I have time. Because I told her to leave at 10:30 and it is 10:33. She lived like 20 minutes from me. I'm just going to plug up the wax and see how long it takes to warm up. And if it takes too long, then I'm not waxing. Hello?
What's up?
What you wearing? What are you wearing?
It's a pool party, right? Or whatever kind of party.
Yeah, I was just trying to see.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm ready
I
though.
see my... Say it again?
I was saying I'm ready though. Whenever you are. Bye.
My...
Okay, so I did not have time to wax, but it's not bad. I still look bald, so it's cool or whatever. I'm really trying to decide if I want to wear this outfit or if it's doing too much. I think that's the end of this video, y'all, since I'm not doing the wax. We're gonna fix my hair. Actually, I want y'all to see the whole look finished, so I'm gonna do my hair real quick. Okay, so boom. Yeah. Get into it. I'm not gonna do my edges. Alright, so yeah. I'm cute. I'm girly. I'm entering my soft girl era. And you should too. Because who don't want to be soft and feminine and girly and cute and all that good stuff. Like, I'm tired of having to have my guard up and be Miss Independent and be the man and a woman. Like, I'm just gonna keep continuing to live my soft, girly, feminine life. Period. And I can't wait to get some tattoos on my arms, because baby, I'm already fine. But let me get tatted up more. But alright, y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoy. I really got myself out of a funk. Like, I knew getting cute would change my mood. I knew getting cute has changed my mood in the past. But I did not think my mood was going to change, because y'all, I've been feeling sick all day. My head been hurting. I ain't eat nothing till like an hour ago. I took a nap, woke up from that nap, still felt shitty. Like, I just did not want to go anywhere. So I did not think that my mood was going to change before she even got here. Like, I thought I would have had to get there to see how it's going to feel. But I feel good. So this is your sign to do some self-care to get yourself out of a funk. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below what y'all would like to see next, and follow me on all my socials. They're always linked down below in the description. And be on the lookout for the next video. Peace.